This is the craziest thing. You won't believe this. So in the last video, I was looking at these trees here, although they were much larger, so they looked a bit different. You couldn't see this root structure on them. I'm assuming they're the same tree, that these are just smaller ones. I'm like, wow, that kind of looks like a pineapple. And I thought it was kind of a stupid thing to say, whatever. And now I'm looking up in the trees. Do you see that? I see pineapple. Those are pineapples. And I think that's the same tree. That might be, it might be a different tree. I don't know. Because I'm looking at this one. I don't see any. Oh, yep. Yeah, it does have it on it. That's crazy. I wonder if, is there any way I could get one? I think they're all up pretty high. Maybe once I make my way over there. I really want to try and get one. I don't want to do anything too dangerous though. Alright, let's see if we can't find one that's a bit more in reach. Yeah, I gotta make my way. I think it loops around, so we'll try and make our way over there. Okay, so it just took me a while to make it through this portion of like fallen trees, mostly because I was just really confused. Somewhere over there it just smells rancid over there. Like it smells like something's dead, like there's a dead carcass. I don't know. I mean, the tree is like very clearly rotted, like black. It's all black and rotted, but I can't imagine a tree smelling like that. Like it really smells like there's some type of carcass or something there. There's flies flying around, but I just couldn't see anything, so I don't know. But I've made it onto this side, and I'm thinking this tree, I might be able to reach some pineapple if I do a little bit of climbing. Get a better look from this side. Okay. Alright. So not seeing much. I see one way up there, but I was kind of hoping there'd be one down here. Oh, yes, there is. Oh, I might be able to reach it. Okay. If I can just get a hold of one of these blades, one of these leaves, actually. Okay. Oh, no, that's, oh my, okay. Oh. Okay, how do I do this? Maybe if I take this. Oh my. Okay, alright, wow. This is a massive branch. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna take this stick. I'm gonna try and use it to lower. Okay. Okay. There we go. Right there. Right? Right on top of the branch. Maybe if I just use it to knock the fruit down. Oh, I think this branch might be too long. Okay. All right, yeah, so the fruit's right there. If I just whack it, maybe. Yeah, that won't work. Okay. Next thought, if I can use it. Okay. I can use it to pull this branch down. Yeah, it's just longer than it needs to be. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Almost slid down the hill there. Okay. Yeah, it's not working. I think it's just too long. I think I'm gonna break this. There we go. Okay, so I just broke it a bit shorter, and then I'm actually gonna try and use the thicker end instead. Ugh. Yeah, there we go. Okay, nice, so I got it hooked on. Now I just gotta pull it down closer to me. Okay, hold it right here. So I'm gonna try and grab a hold of this branch, and maybe that'll pull that one down. Okay, yeah, it's not getting any closer to me. But maybe if I... Yeah, it's not gonna work. I think I really just need to pull the actual branch down that I want. Okay. Yeah, alright, so I'm on the pineapple one. I just need it to come down. Okay. Alright. Let's get better. It's right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's just out of reach. I may just have to. I'm gonna try hitting it again. Oh, that was so close. It's actually gonna work. Okay. Wow. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, I think a couple more might go. Yes! Yes! Oh, I did it. Okay, fell down. Oh, I gotta go get it now. Man, when that fell, that actually didn't look like a pineapple. It might be, it might be something else. Whew. Okay. All right, that's kind of a dangerous slope to go down. Oh my goodness, that is so exciting. Wow. Man, the things I come across, it's just like always, every hike has been so eventful. Oh, look at that. Yes. Wow. Okay. Well, this is most definitely not a pineapple, but it is something something somewhat scary looking. Let's get back up. Okay. Alright, well there's our stick. There's our branch up there. Alright, let's see what we got. What could this thing possibly be? I don't have the slightest idea what I'm doing here. Oh, okay, it's covered in ants. There's like a whole ant mound in there. I kind of just want to, wow. Okay, it's very, very hard. It's like a rock. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Well, I mean, you can kind of see it's like cracked where I hit it, right here. Look, if I knew what this was, what I was doing, I'd eat it. But I don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of want to see what this is. So I think I just kind of want to smash it on a rock and see what happens. It's kind of the only option because I can't like get this open otherwise. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely a hard fruit. It just shattered whatever that, I guess that maybe that wasn't a rock. Okay. Maybe, I don't know. There's not many rocks here. I think that's one. Yeah. Okay. Whoa! What is this? It's like, what? Wow. I've never seen anything like this. It looks like corn. Like candy corn even, maybe. I mean, I don't know what it smells like, but it doesn't smell bad. Let's see, what if we just, okay, if we peel this back. Very fibrous. Huh. Okay. Yeah, it's almost like, you know, like the stem of a banana. It's kind of what this texture is like. I feel like this, I mean, this has got to be some type of fruit, but how you eat it? Yeah, I don't know, it kind of just seems like the whole thing is, I thought like in the center there'd be fruit. I don't want to like even try and eat it because you never know what you're putting your mouth on, you know. Yeah, it smells very fresh. Alright, well, I think there's nothing here. Sorry to have destroyed the home of these ants, but yeah, it's cool. And it'll decompose. Yeah, it smells like corn on the cob. It does. Wow. I guess that's probably not the fruit. Yeah, I don't know. I have service. Maybe I can try and look it up. Oh, I do have somewhat service. I'll see what. How do I search for an image? Here, I'll do an image search. Let's see what the internet says. Maybe. Sugar apple? No. Kind of looks like it, but not exactly. Yeah, I have no idea. I think I'll do some research on it at home. But yeah, I don't know. Man, that's funny. I really thought that was a pineapple. Huh. Wow. Well, what a fun experience that was. I was not expecting to come across that today. Alright, my bandage is falling off, so I think I'm gonna have to let that one go. I did bring more bandages with me, but I think it's just gonna fall off as well. Yeah, it's like covered in mud, so I'll just pack that out. The other one's hanging on there still. Oh, well, yeah, now you can see what the blisters look like. There on the outside and then on the inside. Oh, now it's getting caked with mud. Okay. Alright, well, yeah, let's just keep moving.